Hello guys and welcome to my video. So today I will show you some trading shots with explanation. So here I missed an entry as a low. So I go for higher. So I go for higher here. So this candle, this type of candle, this one, the green one. So it goes down, down, down. Then at this point, she rejects up. So why it rejects up? So we're gonna draw and see at the left. What happened at left? Okay. Left, there is nothing. Okay. Only this. So as you can see, those two candles have the same rejection point. So as you can see, it rejects again here. So I'll wait. Yes, here. Okay. Oh. I'll go enter again. Okay. Here it made rejection. Okay, let's wait what happens. So we have the second win in running. I will go. So if this candle finish green, I'll go for a higher again as it's a reversal. Let's say it's a support line. So it's a reversal. So let's go higher. Okay, we have two wins. 1, 2, and this is the third one, I guess. So let's see what happens. If you are interested to know more, enhance your knowledge, please join my group. I'll put the link in the pinned comment and in the description, so you can join and benefit with free knowledge. It's just free for you guys. So here it's very, very big candle. So here, so let's say here it's another rejection again. So let's see at left what happens. So as you can see, we adjust the line to this point. Okay, every reversal is a support or resistance. So here it's a broken support and becomes resistance. Also we're gonna draw a line here. So it meets resistance, becomes support. Here it's broken support, so it rejects from this line, as you can see. So let's wait another shot so we can benefit on. Let's see. It's all about candle reading. As you can see, I'm not using any indicators. So here I will draw a trend line. You can see. I will wait some. It goes down a little bit. So it need to touch again the line. Else we don't enter. If she don't touch. Okay. So here we have a reversal also. We're gonna go for, so we take care of this. This is a strong also point. So let's focus. Okay, here we're gonna for lower. Oh, we're going. Okay, not bad. So here I'm gonna adjust the line to this point. is what you can see is the most common higher wicks of this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle are in the same level. See? So to determine a proper resistance line, you're gonna see the wicks where they got rejected on and collect at least 2 or 3 common points so you can trade on. Here also this green candle rejects on the same top. So that's enough for today. We made our day. So if you want to know more about our trading, so just in the description join us, and we are giving free knowledge for everyone. Just click below. Okay, bye bye.